This is the overall hardware setup for the project titled a PFC single couple multiple output LED driver without electrolytic capacitor. These are the basic hardware blocks involved. This is the multiple output LED driver block wherein we have used MOSFET as switches, capacitors, diodes and inductors. These two are the resistive loads across which will verify the output, and these two are the points wherein the LED input would be given. This is the controller block. We have used PIC16F877A microcontroller. The input to this block is 12 volts. Of that 12 volts, only 5 volts is used for the operation of the microcontroller as its operating voltage. That is done by the regulator IC7805. This is a crystal oscillator for giving clock pulses. For the isolation of the MOSFETs present in the multiple LED driver, we have used optocouplers. These two provide the isolation for the MOSFETs. The optocouplers are TLP250. The operating voltage of optocoupler is 12 volts that is supplied by the power supply circuit that is present here. The input to this circuit would be AC, and that can be verified at these 2 points. At these 2 points we can also check the power factor, and the AC would be rectified using the rectifier and will get a boosted DC output across these 2 resistors. The AC input would be boosted across these 2 resistors. When we wish to measure the output across these 2 resistors, the 2 pins should not be plugged in. During the measurement of the output, boosted output, these should be plugged out, and after you plug in, you can see the 2 LEDs glowing. Now we'll switch on the circuit and see how it operates. We have switched on the circuit and we can see the LED glowing. This shows that the circuit is working. I've connected the probes of the multimeter across the load resistor, and we can see a boosted output being displayed in the DSO. The boosted output is around 35 to 37 volts. Now we can measure the output at the other LED driver. That will be also a boosted output, and the output is coming around 34 to 35 volts. So this is the boosted output across the load resistor present at the both ends. Now to see the LED glowings at both ends, we need to plug in the pins. This is the pin. We can see this LED glowing, and now we'll plug in this point. We can see the other LED is also glowing. So both the LEDs are glowing and both these pins are plugged in. So first the resistor output, that is the boosted output, can be verified. At that point we need to remove the pins, and when you need to show the LED output, these 2 points, these 2 pins has to be plugged in, and we can see the 2 LEDs glowing. This is a PFC single couple multiple output LED driver without electrolytic capacitor. At the AC points, we can also verify the power factor. We can now even verify the input. the input is showing as 11. This is the RMS value of the input, AC input, which will be converted to DC, and a boosted voltage around 35 to 40 volts is boosted across this circuit, and we are able to glow 2 LEDs. This is multiple output LED driver.